Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about settings Google Chrome as a default search engine in the Mozilla Firefox browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang yung tatlong line na yan. So click mo lang siya. And then next step ay scroll down. And then sinik mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then dito lang sa general. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung search. Ito siya. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search, makikita mo kaagad dito yung default search engine. Okay, so this is your default search engine in the address bar and search bar. So you can switch it at any time. So pwede na natin itong i-change. Kung paano ba natin yan i-change, so i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung Google Chrome. Okay, so click mo lang siya. And then kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. So close lang natin. And then open natin itong Firefox browser. Ayan, so check lang natin. So dito sa tatlong line. And then click dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung search. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. Makikita mo dito na na-change na yung default search engine natin. So open tayo ng another tab. And then ito na siya. Ayan. So makikita mo dito mga kaibigan na na-change na yung default search engine natin into Google. Alright? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to set Google as default search engine on Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.